Do you ever have a problem with your Dodge Ram where the low washer fluid light comes on even though you know you've just filled the washer fluid tank? Fortunately, it's usually a pretty easy fix, so here's how you do it. So right here is pretty much all we need to replace the washer level sensor. Just a pry tool of some sort. I like to use this little tack driver or tack remover, cat's paw, whatever you'd like to call it. This is a new gasket that goes around the sensor. Generally speaking, these Dorman ones work just fine. 49458 is the part number. But for the sensors, I pretty much have only had luck with the Mopar sensors. They're only, I think, $5. And there's the part number for that, 05152029AB. This is what the part looks like. Pretty simple. Just two prongs that contact the fluid, and when you have fluid, it's a little bit of continuity between the two prongs when you've got good washer fluid in there. And that's what the connector end looks like. Pretty simple. Should only take you, 5-10 minutes to replace this, and that should get your low washer light to shut off. Yeah, pretty easy repair for a light that's quite annoying to see in your dashboard. Okay, and here's a better view of what we're looking at here. I've taken the fan shroud and washer and coolant bottles out just so I can better show what's going on here when we replace this sensor. Anyway, this is the sensor right here. You do not need to pull the bottle off to do this. There's enough space to replace this sensor. So you just take something like, this tack remover and just pry. Generally speaking, it pries rather easily, and it comes out just like this, like that. Obviously, you want to make sure your reservoir is low so that when you pull this sensor out, it doesn't spill all of your washer fluid out. And to install the new one, it's pretty much reversive installation, or reversive removal. You may want to replace this rubber O-ring here, but just to illustrate how we're doing this, I'm just going to reuse the old one. But process is pretty much the same. You just line it up. You just line it up with the washer here and push in until it snaps. You should get a nice firm snap, and the sensor should sit in there nice and tight. So that's a better view of how these sensors get replaced. Pretty easy job. Anyway, I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you.